Welcome. This is a video that will demonstrate a sample workflow for using the SecureViz application. We're going to be showing uploading a CSV into the SecureViz app and then being able to do data visualizations and querying your data using SecureViz. Let's take a look. When you first open up SecureViz, you'll be greeted with this welcome screen. We can either upload some data or we can look at our recent databases. I have no recent databases, so let's just upload a data set. I have a few CSVs that we can work with here. I like checking out my basketball data, so I will click on that and open it up. Whenever you upload any of your CSV data, you will be shown a preview screen, and that preview screen will tell you what your data is going to be looking like in the database and also any errors that we had on the upload. No errors on this dataset upload, so I'll just click confirm upload. And here we go with the main view of SecureViz. We can see that we have a table, and this represents our data that we just uploaded in the database. We can do sorting of our table by ascending or descending a column. We can go and select different filters about how to filter this specific data set. We can go greater than 70.2 free throw percentage, and that will only give us data that's above that number. We can also remove it just by clicking the X on any of the tags that are present. Let's go ahead and visualize a bar chart using this basketball data. What we can do, we can press select and we will visualize our points per game, and we'll say the average points per game. And how do we want to group it? We want to group it by, we'll say player name. And we have our first visualization, which is a bar chart. And you can see here, we will have all of our different players and their points per game. You click on a bar and you'll get more detailed data about that bar. We can go to pie charts, same query, line chart, same query. Scatter point will require a different query because we'll need the X and Y axis instead. So we won't do that one right now. Just a table only view, so no visualization, but using the query that was just presented. And we can go back to bar chart. The next thing we'll talk about is how to query with natural language. To accomplish that, we'll clear everything out and we'll click our data set that we just uploaded. That would be data set 4 for me. We can click on that and we will click on our settings. In order to do a natural language query on our data set, we will have to enable LLM features, and our LLM features rely on a local OLlama instance running. So this app integrates with OLlama, and you can see where the app is, or the OLlama instance is being run from, localhost 11.434, and it says it is indeed running on my computer, and I'll just pick one of the models I have downloaded. Now that I've picked that, I have this option for natural language, and now we can query by natural language. And I will ask for showing me the players with the most rebounds per game. I'll click enter. Natural language querying will take a little bit longer because it's very dependent on how powerful your machine is and what model you're using in Ollama. But it looks like we have a result. And this result has rebounds per game, and it's grouped by our players. You can see below how that natural language query gets converted into SQL. If this was a good result for you, we would just click the green button over there, and that preference would get stored in our database, and the local Ollama models will be able to use that the next time you enter a query. We're going to stop here for the day. Just wanted to show you a few of the main features of SecureViz. Thanks for watching.